What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm here. So what we got going on today is basically the bumper fell off. So I just put it on, fell off, got a little bit of damage. Nothing too crazy. Correct, not really nothing too crazy. What got mainly damaged was that down there. That hole got ripped out, and that hole got ripped out by the screws. And then, so basically, I don't know how it happened exactly, but it shouldn't have happened. But basically the screws got ripped out through there, and then as I was pulling back on it, that hangs pretty low when it's on there, and it was getting pulled on. So this was getting pulled out as I was backing up. So I gotta get those screws that are under there out, and then put some bigger washers so it doesn't happen again, hopefully. But I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do right now. For now I gotta get the screws out and then see what I can do. Alright, so the bumper's back on. Let me show you what I did real quick. I put on those washers right there, and then the other ones somewhere over there, right there. So this can be held upright. So basically this piece kind of like, see how it's all flimsy? So it like would hang, and so it like got, when I was backing up, it like hanged too low and it got pulled or whatnot, stuck, and this bumper got pulled out. So right now it's not lining up too well just because of those bottom things, but I'm gonna try to fix them later on, I guess. Alright, so I got the bumper on, and I'm gonna be on my way to John's. Gonna go work on the CRX, give a quick update, and then we'll wash the car, and then we're going to a car meet. So see you guys there. Alright, so I'm at John's. Quick update on the CRX. Doesn't start. Alright, moving on. So what's up, John?
What's up?
Oh wait, you're too good because you got this?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
These.
Oh. Ooh, out of fashion shirt? We got Luis here now with his Lexus, his VIP.
GS3.
Yeah.
Oh, you can't even hear this.
Yeah, that shit's a Prius right here. We're on our way to this meet right now, and I don't know where it's at. Somewhere in Rio, San Diego. We got Luis over there. Can't really see that. We got Johnny right here. It's the ones that are going. But definitely see you guys at the meet. See you there. I like your car. Is this one yours?
Yeah.
Nice. What kind of car is it?
You look mean. Did you get a front splitter on this bitch?
I am. Man, there's a lot of things I'm going for this, alright? Slow process. I'm gonna talk to Ube, the guy that we talked to at that one time.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking to. John, air out. Can you air out? Can you air out?
I got you. I didn't even find a front loop, dude. Oh my.
Big ass Honda Civics. I mean, WRX. Hold on. Hold on. Baggy ass WRX.
You know what? I don't give a fuck about you, motherfucker. I'll fucking. Oh shit! I'll throw you in the car, dude.
That's what's up.
Dang, you're about to kill me,
I
bro.
was, dude. Good. I get the key for your car.
I don't know what's wrong with the bag. What's wrong with the bag? What is wrong with the bag?
Get
Should I go over there? Can I go over there and bag this one? Huh?
Capture from cars colorblind.
Once it's completed, bro, it'll...
The guy who built this color black.